welcome to another video. So it is currently 7:30 at night, so it has been the whole day, but I wanted to do a cook with me. So today I am cooking burgers. So we have these cheese topped burger rolls, so let's hope they're nice. And then I'm using these 8 burgers. So I'm cooking for 3 people. So there will be some burgers and buns left spare. So these look really nice. They're just beef burgers. Show you guys again. And it's the big family pack. And then with it, we're going to be having some chopped tomatoes and cheese. The rest of this World Rocket, and we also have some more in the fridge as well, just in case we need it. And Ryan isn't obviously having any of the salad because he is really picky and doesn't like it. But then I think I am going to be having this sweet chili ketchup on the top of it. And cola. So I've mentioned this on my channel before, but this is like my favourite drink ever. I'm not sure if it's just in the UK or whether it's in other countries as well. But obviously I live in the UK, so I know that it's here. And we're just going to be filling this cute little glass. It came, there was like a sundae ice cream, and it came in here. It was like quite expensive one from the Indian restaurant, I think. So there's that. So we're going to do the burgers in this halogen oven, and it's quite dangerous. You have to be really careful with it because literally like every piece of it gets hot. But I'm just going to be showing you guys because why not? What I normally do is put that like that and then have the taller one and this on top of there, because we're going to be doing 8 burgers. So we'll have 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top. And then I'm going to be doing some chips with it as well. So just move. So I'm literally just going to get a knife. And we are going to cut this. Okay, I'm like struggling hardcore right now with one hand. Anyway, there's that. Alright guys, so this is what the burgers look like. We ended up fitting that, and then the chips will go here. So I know we have to flip it halfway through, so it's going to be a bit annoying to have to pull all the metal out and do that. But anyway, we're going to do that. And then I forgot to show you what chips we're having, so we're just having these ones. And they take 25 to 30 minutes to cook. I hope you guys enjoy watching me struggle, because I'm struggling so hard right now. And I feel like that's so much chips, but we can have spare left, I suppose. So that looks like that at the minute. Just gonna make sure the burgers aren't covered by the chips, because I feel like it'll stop them from cooking. And yeah, that's that done. So let's turn that on. So I'll show you guys how we do that now. So I'm just going to cut all of them in half, well 3 of them in half, so we all have 1 each. Very hot. So we can put the burger in there. Oh. Wait a minute, like don't do. Wait then. And then I go. Are you alright to be in it or not? Yeah. And then I'm just going to cut these like so. I am using like the normal eating knife, like the butter knife, but it's really sharp because it's new, so.
These knives?
Yep. Cut this into 4 and put it in Holly's food dish, because she has to be careful with what she eats. She's not allowed dairy, wheat, or any meats, or like certain meats. So I'll just give her some tomatoes. I'm going to wash this in here and just wash it in the sink. So I actually love this one because it has 2 sides. So if you lean it on that side, that's the way the water comes out. And if you lean it on this side, the water doesn't come out because it's just flat on the bottom. And you can leave your lettuce or salad or whatever in there and put it on the table and serve it like that. And people can still eat out of it, and you don't have to waste an extra like mixing bowl or plate or anything like that. So there's that. And the last thing we need to do is to grate the cheese. And then we're just going to grate it into this bowl. So what I like to do is pull it in half and then do the long ways like that over the bowl, and then it seems to do it quicker. So I'm just going to go around now and tidy everything away. Alright guys, so methinks the burgers are, that fog though, are ready to flip over. They've been on for 20 minutes, but because they're quite thick, it's going to take longer to cook them. So that's how the lid goes on. That's what I said, it's like really dangerous. But anyway, I've literally drank about 5 sips of that. And we're going to switch the 2 shelves over and flip all the burgers. And I'm just going to use this. Hey guys, so Mum and Holly have just got back from their evening walk, and this is Holly. The cheese buns are just right there, and she is sitting there because she wants them. She's actually begging for them, and she keeps like lifting her head up and sniffing at them. And when she first came in the house, she ran to a bowl, ate the tomatoes, and then literally ran straight to here and jumped up and tried to get onto the side. She just like stands up and her paws reach to about here sort of thing. So if we weren't in the house, it's like a definite that she would be jumping up straight onto the unit and getting the cheese. But look at that cute little face. Oh, but she's not allowed cheese because it's dairy. And like, comment down below if any of your dogs sit like this. I think it's absolutely amazing. It's so cute. It's like she's sitting like a human. And just wow. She's so cute. And she has a little afro, but it got wet when she was walking. So it's like gone a bit frizzy. Good girl. Alright guys, so the burgers are ready. Listen to that sizzling. I cannot wait to eat these. They look so nice. And all that's left to do now is put them on those buns and eat them all because they're going to be amazing. So, first things first, I'm going to put them on this plate. And then we're going to put them on the buns. So, we're just using these tongs. And I'm going to pull them all out of there and put them onto the plate. Making sure to like drain it off a little bit as well. And they're like organic as well or whatever, so they really smell nice. So we're just gonna pull them off and put them on the towel.
Burgers.
Like we did before. And Ryan has come to help me.
Me?
Lay them out.
Help you? Never.
I swear he's too scared to come on the camera.
I was just on the camera. You can't complain when I was just on the camera. Can you? And I just burned myself.
Aww. Ryan's just put his arm on that and burnt himself, bless. Anyway, there is the burgers. They look amazing. Chips that we'll be also eating.
Crystal.
I'm going to pull it out of here so that it cools down. Sorry if I deafened anyone because it deafened me. But so that so that it cools down a bit. And yep, they are cooked all the way through. So, alright, mate. So, I have had these on for about 40 minutes in total, because about 20, one side, 20 the other side. But there is 8 burgers and there was chips as well, so that's why it took so long. So, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll show you the finishing touches in a second. Alright guys, so this is the finishing touches. And I'm just going to grab the tongs, and this is my one. Put a few on there, put a few on Mum's as well, because that was quite a lot. So this is the finishing touches, and I think it looks really nice and yummy, and I cannot wait to eat it.